Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into Gmail. Use the account you want to inspect. Once signed in, click your profile photo at top right and choose Manage your Google account. From there, you navigate to Security on the left column. Make sure to use a desktop browser for full options. This area centralizes login and device access data, so you're in the right place to continue. Once done, proceed to view recent device activity and security events to find detailed login records. Now you examine devices and events to find login history. Scroll to your devices, then click Manage Devices to list active and signed out sessions. You'll see device type, last active time, and approximate location. Next, open recent security events to review explicit sign-in attempts, password changes, or two-step prompts. Click any listed device or event to reveal IP addresses, browser info, and timestamps. Make note of unfamiliar entries. These fields give the evidence. Finish by acting on what you found. Sign out of unfamiliar devices and remove them from the list, then change your password right away. Make sure to enable two-step verification to prevent repeat access. If entries look confusing, compare IP patterns and timestamps across events to rule out known VPN or mobile behavior. If problems persist, use Google's account recovery prompts and review connected apps. One tip: if sign-ins show rotating IPs, treat that as higher risk and revoke app access immediately to stop ongoing intrusion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.